Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to watch sports with Peacock. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. To watch sports on Peacock, you just gonna have to go to google.com and first of all subscribe to Peacock and create an account there. So Peacock is a streaming service from NBC Universal with tons of hit movies and TV shows, originals, current NBC and Bravo hits, and live sports. So it also offers sports channels. So you just gonna have to purchase the Peacock subscription, and once you have done that, you also have to make sure that your device which you are using Peacock from is physically located in the US, otherwise it's not going to work. So if you are in the US, once you have bought the Peacock TV subscription, you can just download the Peacock TV application on your iOS device or Android device or on your smart TV, and you can start watching sports on Peacock. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. It only works in the US. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.